This 2010 Coachmen Freelander 2100 CB is a Class C RV. It is located in Winter Garden, Florida, 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This used Coachman is 23 feet 3 inches in length and features one Slideout, Alumina Grey Decor, Brazilian Cherry Cabinetry interior, sleeps 5, stove-top burner, microwave, Skylight, Awning, TV, refrigerator, Slideout, oven, air conditioning, self-contained, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, front entertainment, front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom, U-shaped dinette. This 2010 Coachmen Freelander 2100 CB is built on a Freightliner Sprinter 3500 chassis. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.